Start ArcGIS Pro. Under Create a New Project, click on Blank. Name it BH Water Study and click the Browse button for the location. Save it in the GIS Class Projects folder. Keep the Create a New Folder box for this project checked and click OK. Examine the View Windows ribbon and notice the Catalog pane and the Catalog view side by side. These buttons can reopen either one if it gets closed. In the Catalog pane, switch to the Favorites tab. Right-click the MGIS data folder and choose Add to Project. If it's not in the Favorites tab, choose Insert, Project, Add Folder. Navigate into the GIS class folder. Select the MGIS data folder and click OK. In the Catalog pane, switch back to the Project tab. Expand the folder's entry to verify that the MGIS data folder is now listed as a data source for the project. Click Insert, Project, New Map to create a new map for this empty project. In Contents, rename the map World. In Contents, right-click the world map icon and choose Properties, or double-click the icon. The action opens the map properties for World. On the left, click on the Coordinate Systems entry and examine the current XY coordinate system in the blue highlighted box. Close the Map Properties window by clicking Cancel. Click the Map, Layer, Add Data button, or use the Catalog pane to add the country dataset from the MGIS Data World folder. In Contents, double-click the World Map icon to open the map properties again. Click the Coordinate Systems entry and examine the map coordinate system again. When the first dataset is added to a map, the map coordinate system defaults to the stored coordinate system of the new data. Examine the lower box labeled XY coordinate systems available. Scroll the box up and down to see the entries. Close the Map Properties window by clicking Cancel. In Contents, right-click the country layer name and choose Properties to open the layer properties, or double-click the layer name. Click the source entry and examine the information on the right. Expand the Extent heading and examine the information. Expand the Spatial Reference heading and examine the coordinate system information. Click Cancel to close the Map Properties window. Move the mouse cursor over the map and watch the coordinate values in the lower bar of the map view update the XY location in degrees. Zoom in to the tip of Florida in the United States. Use the cursor to hover over the southeastern tip of Florida and observe the XY coordinates. Open the World Map Properties and click the General settings. Change the display units to degrees, minutes, seconds, and click OK. Click the Map Navigate Full Extent button to see the whole world again. Open the World Map Properties and click the Coordinate Systems entry. In the folder tree on the right, collapse the Layers folder. Expand the Projected Coordinate System folder and examine its contents. Expand the World folder. Click on the Mercator World projection. In the upper right corner, click the Details link to learn more about this Mercator coordinate system. Examine the parameters. Close the Coordinate System Details window. Click OK to accept Mercator World as the coordinate system for the map. Use the Add Data button or the Catalog pane to add the MGIS Data World Lat-Lon dataset to the map. Open the World Map Properties and examine the general settings. Change the display units to meters and click OK. Use the cursor and the coordinate box to locate the approximate coordinate origin where both x and y equal 0. Look for where the coordinates change from west to east and north to south. Add the States feature class from the MGIS Data USA US Data Geodatabase. Open the World Map Properties again and view the Coordinate Systems settings. Find and expand the Layers folder again. Expand each of the 3 coordinate system entries in the Layers folder. In the Layers folder, click on the North America Equidistant Conic Coordinate System to highlight it. Click the Details link in the upper right corner and examine the map parameters. Notice that this coordinate system has a different underlying GCS, NAD 1983, than the other layers, WGS 1984. Close the Details window and click OK to accept the coordinate system. Zoom in to North America, including Central America. In Contents, select the lat-long layer and open the Feature Layer Labeling ribbon. In the Label class group, set the field to Value. Click the Label button to turn on the labels. Find the central meridian, the standard parallels, and the latitude of origin on the map. Choose Project Options and view the Map and Scene settings. Expand the Spatial Reference heading. Scroll down and check the box Warn if transformation between geographic coordinate system is required to align data sources correctly. Click OK and click the back arrow to return to the project. Open the World Map Properties and view the Coordinate Systems settings. Find and expand the Layers folder. Click the GCS WGS 1984 entry to set the data frame to that CS and click OK. Click the Map Navigate Full Extent button to show the whole world again. In Contents, right-click the lat long layer and choose Label to turn the labels off.